After a 17-year hiatus, the all-new Mustang Mach 1 fastback coupe is here. Now, Ford claims it's the pinnacle of styling, handling, and 5-liter V8 pony car performance. Now, it certainly looks good. The all-new Mach 1's grille harkens back to the original. It's got the deep 3D mesh look, shark nose section, and faux lamp elements. There are new side grills below each turn signal and low-gloss badge in the center of the grille. There's also low-gloss black accents throughout the vehicle to provide a visual pop. There's new 19-inch dark-painted aluminum wheels and a modern version of the classic Magnum 500 style wheel. Now, the handling package is exclusively available with the Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. Now, speaking of the handling package, it's available only with a 6-speed manual transmission. It also gets larger, unique, higher downforce front splitter, new front wheel lip moldings, a swing spoiler, and a Gurney flap and rear tire spats from the GT500. The interior features a unique dark sand-drift instrument cluster with aluminum accents, ebony seats with an accent stripe. Other interior upgrades include new door sills, an updated splash screen, and a 12.3-inch all-LCD instrument cluster. There's a white cue ball shifter and engraved badging to display the vehicle's unique chassis number. Now we get to the good stuff. The all-new Mach 1 becomes the most track-capable 5-liter Mustang ever, courtesy of a newly designed front end, plus Ford performance parts from the GT350 and Shelby GT500. Now, the 5-liter Mustang is specially calibrated. It produces 480 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 420 pound-feet of torque at 4,600 RPM. Integrated into the Mach 1 engine are revised Shelby GT350 components, including intake manifold, air filter adapter, and engine oil cooler. The engine oil cooling capability has been increased by 50%. Now, this Mach 1 comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, the same one that's used in the GT350. But for the very first time, this transmission can be equipped with rev matching. Drivers can also opt for an available 10-speed select shift automatic transmission with an upgraded torque converter to handle the power. So there it is, an upgraded classic Mustang named Mach 1. It's back. What do you think? Would you get the regular GT, the GT350, or the Shelby 500? Let me know, and please subscribe to make sure you get more virtual car releases during this COVID-19 lockdown.